Some cars don't just come back, they evolve. Today, we're looking at one of the most beautiful automotive resurrections of the modern era, the 2026 Volvo P1800 Cyan. This is not a remake driven by nostalgia alone. This is a full reinterpretation of a 1960s icon, rebuilt with modern performance engineering, contemporary luxury, and unmistakable Scandinavian restraint. Let's take a closer look, starting from the front. From the front, the 2026 Volvo P1800 Cyan is immediately recognizable, and yet completely new. The signature oval grille pays homage to the original P1800, now reimagined with a darker mesh finish and a bold Volvo emblem at the center. The proportions are wide and low, giving the car a planted, confident stance. The circular LED headlights are a highlight here. They retain the classic round shape, but integrate modern LED technology with crisp light signatures, blending retro charm with modern precision. Below, the front bumper is aggressively sculpted, featuring a carbon fiber splitter accented with subtle red trim. This isn't just aesthetic, it visually lowers the car and hints at serious performance intent. From the side, the silhouette is pure P1800. Long hood, flowing roofline, and a short rear deck. It's elegant, minimal, and unmistakably Scandinavian. The body panels are smooth and muscular, with no unnecessary creases. Large black multi-spoke wheels fill the arches perfectly, paired with performance tires and red brake calipers that subtly signal motorsport heritage. The ride height is noticeably low, reinforcing that this is not a grand tourer for comfort alone. This is a driver's car. Chrome accents are used sparingly, allowing the warm, metallic paint to take center stage under natural light. At the rear, the P1800 Cyan looks wide, planted, and exceptionally clean. Slim, horizontal LED taillights stretch across the rear quarters, modern in execution while still respecting the classic proportions. The Volvo lettering and P1800 Cyan badging are understated and confident. Down low, a performance-focused diffuser houses quad exhaust tips, a clear statement that this car means business. Everything here feels intentional. No excess, no over-design. It's a perfect balance between heritage elegance and modern aggression. Inside, the transformation continues. The cabin blends classic layout philosophy with modern Volvo technology. Premium leather seats with sculpted bolsters provide both comfort and support, finished in a warm tone that complements the exterior. The dashboard is clean and horizontal, featuring a digital instrument cluster and a modern infotainment display seamlessly integrated into the design. Carbon fiber trim, metal switchgear, and ambient lighting give the interior a premium, performance-oriented atmosphere without losing Volvo's signature simplicity. This is a cockpit designed for drivers who appreciate craftsmanship as much as speed. Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo P1800 Cyan is expected to feature a high-performance, turbocharged engine, developed with deep influence from Cyan Racing's motorsport background. While final specifications may vary, expectations point toward a lightweight chassis, rear-wheel drive configuration, performance-tuned suspension, manual or performance-focused transmission options. This car isn't chasing numbers alone. It's built for engagement, balance, and raw driving feel. The Volvo P1800 Cyan is positioned as a limited production, high-end enthusiast car. Estimated price? Likely in the $400,000 to $500,000 USD range, reflecting its hand-built nature and exclusivity. Release window: expected late 2025 to early 2026, depending on production schedules. This is not a mass-market vehicle. It's a collector-grade machine. The 2026 Volvo P1800 Cyan proves that reviving a classic doesn't mean copying the past. It means understanding it and elevating it. This car blends timeless design, modern engineering, and motorsport influence into something truly special. It's elegant, aggressive, and unapologetically focused. If you appreciate automotive history done right, this might just be one of the most beautiful modern classics ever created. Let us know in the comments, would you take the P1800 Cyan over today's modern supercars? And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more premium automotive content.